This video explains the differences between the Paul trap and the Penning trap in ion trapping and quantum computing calculation. Cover a few examples of ion traps used in quantum computing and atomic clocks. All three types of ion traps, Paul, Penning, and ion traps, have their own strengths and weaknesses when it comes to the performance of a quantum computer. While they share some similarities, there are significant differences between these types of traps. A Paul trap uses a combination of radiofrequency and static electric fields to trap ions. The trap consists of 2 or 3 parallel electrodes that are held at different potentials. By adjusting the voltage on these electrodes, a region of stable oscillatory motion can be created where ions can be trapped. Paul traps are highly versatile and can trap both positively and negatively charged ions, but they have limitations in terms of trapping larger numbers of ions. Paul traps, for example, are highly versatile and can trap both positively and negatively charged ions, making them a good choice for certain types of quantum computing applications. They are also relatively simple to construct and operate, which makes them a popular choice for research groups and experiments. A Penning trap, on the other hand, uses a combination of magnetic and electric fields to trap ions. The trap consists of a cylindrical electrode surrounded by a strong magnetic field. When ions are introduced into the trap, they spiral around the axis of the trap, with the magnetic field confining the ions in the radial direction. Penning traps are highly effective at trapping large numbers of ions and have been used in experiments involving highly charged ions. This makes them a promising candidate for certain types of quantum computing applications that require the manipulation of large numbers of ions. Ion traps, in general, use electromagnetic fields to confine ions. Ion, electron and atom traps are used in a variety of applications, including in atomic clocks, quantum computers, and precision measurements. The picture shows the NIST's ultra-stable ytterbium lattice atomic clock. Ytterbium atoms are generated in an oven, large metal cylinder on the left, and sent to a vacuum chamber in the center of the photo to be manipulated and probed by lasers. Laser light is transported to the clock by 5 fibers, such as the yellow fiber in the lower center of the photo. One significant advantage of ion traps is that they allow for highly precise control over the motion of the trapped ions, making them ideal for quantum computing applications. Ion traps, in general, offer precise control over the motion of ions, making them ideal for quantum computing applications that require high levels of precision. They are also well suited for performing quantum logic gates, which are essential for building a quantum computer. This picture shows the NIST postdoctoral researcher James Chin-Wen Cho with the world's most precise clock, based on the vibrations of a single aluminum ion, electrically charged atom. The ion is trapped inside the metal cylinder, center right. In summary, Paul traps use radiofrequency and static electric fields, Penning traps use magnetic and electric fields, and ion traps, in general, use electromagnetic fields to trap ions. Each type of trap has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of trap depends on the specific requirements of the experiment or application. Ion traps, in general, offer precise control over the motion of ions, making them ideal for quantum computing applications that require high levels of precision. They are also well suited for performing quantum logic gates, which are essential for building a quantum computer. Let's examine 3 sample ion traps for quantum computing systems. The Baby Bucket Ion Trap, BBIT, is a type of linear Paul trap that is used for trapping and manipulating ions in experiments involving quantum computing, atomic physics, and precision measurements. The BBIT consists of a linear array of electrodes that are arranged in a bucket shape, hence the name, Baby Bucket Ion Trap. The ions are trapped in the center of the trap by the application of a combination of static and RF electric fields. One of the key advantages of the BBIT is its small size. The trap has a compact design and can trap a small number of ions, typically less than 10. This makes it well suited for certain types of experiments that require the manipulation of only a few ions. Another advantage of the BBIT is its simplicity. The trap is relatively easy to construct and operate, making it a popular choice for research groups and experiments. The BBIT has been used in a variety of experiments, including the demonstration of quantum gates and the development of quantum algorithms based on trapped ions. In summary, the Baby Bucket Ion Trap is a linear Paul trap that is well suited for experiments that require the trapping and manipulation of a small number of ions. Its compact size and simplicity make it a popular choice for certain types of experiments in quantum computing, atomic physics, and precision measurements. The bow tie ion trap is a type of linear radiofrequency (RF) ion trap that is used for trapping and manipulating ions in experiments involving quantum computing, atomic physics, and precision measurements. The trap consists of a linear array of electrodes that are arranged in a bow tie shape, hence the name, bow tie ion trap. The ions are trapped in the center of the trap by the application of a combination of static and RF electric fields. One of the key advantages of the bow tie ion trap is its scalability. The linear design of the trap allows for the trapping of large numbers of ions, making it well suited for quantum computing applications that require the manipulation of large numbers of qubits. Another advantage of the bow tie ion trap is its ability to perform high-fidelity quantum operations. The trap allows for precise control over the motion and state of the trapped ions, which is essential for performing quantum logic gates and other quantum operations. The bow tie ion trap has been used in a variety of experiments, including the demonstration of entanglement and teleportation of qubits, as well as the development of quantum computing architectures based on trapped ions. In summary, the bow tie ion trap is a linear RF ion trap that is well suited for quantum computing applications that require the trapping and manipulation of large numbers of ions. Its scalability and ability to perform high-fidelity quantum operations make it a promising candidate for the development of quantum computing architectures based on trapped ions. A gold-plated ion trap is a type of ion trap that is coated with a layer of gold on its surface. This gold plating is often used in experiments involving trapped ions, such as those used in quantum computing and precision measurements. The gold plating serves several purposes. First, it provides a smooth and uniform surface for the trapped ions to interact with. This is important for maintaining the stability and accuracy of the trapped ions, which is essential for many experiments. Second, the gold plating helps to reduce unwanted interactions between the trapped ions and the surrounding environment. Gold is a good conductor of electricity and is also a good reflector of infrared radiation, which helps to shield the trapped ions from external electric and thermal noise. Third, the gold plating can help to increase the sensitivity of the ion trap. This is because gold has a high atomic number and density, which can enhance the coupling between the trapped ions and external electromagnetic fields. Gold-plated ion traps are commonly used in experiments involving quantum computing and precision measurements, where the accuracy and stability of the trapped ions are critical. They have been used in a variety of experiments, including the demonstration of quantum gates, quantum algorithms, and precision measurements of fundamental physical constants. In summary, gold-plated ion traps are ion traps that are coated with a layer of gold on their surface. This gold plating helps to provide a smooth and uniform surface for the trapped ions, reduce unwanted interactions with the surrounding environment, and increase the sensitivity of the trap. They are commonly used in experiments involving quantum computing and precision measurements. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.